everyone, I wanted to come on here and talk about a product that I've been using for a couple weeks now. It's the DermRays Revive Laser. It's a 1064 nanometer laser that you can safely use at home. And the 1064 nanometer is kind of like known as the rejuvenation sweet spot and the gold standard in skincare. So it's like a spa treatment that you can safely do at home. So I wanted to come on here and talk about my results and what I've been going through for the last 6 weeks. I'll show you some before and after pictures. I currently have nothing on my skin. I don't have any makeup, skincare, anything. I just have a little bit of mascara. I'll disclose that, but that's it. And I feel way more confident than I used to. I used to really struggle with acne spots, dark spots, large pores. Those are kind of like the main concerns I wanted to target using this device. This device also removes wrinkles, fine lines, uneven tones, stuff like that. It also makes your skin firmer. So I'm going to show you today how to use it. It's very simple and straightforward, and I'll show you some of my results and before and after pictures as well. And the main thing with this, it's a one-time investment. You literally use it once and it's permanent. Also, side note, it's not just for your face. I've been using it to fade this burn scar I've had on my hand, and it was a very severe burn scar as well, and I'd say it's pretty much gone. Like, I don't know if you can see, this is like the outline of it here. I'll show you how bad it was before, and I'm honestly really impressed. Like, I'm just as happy with my hand than my face because I was so insecure about this burn scar. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll show you how it's done. It's very simple, and be sure to check out the description box if you want to use a discount. I have a $150 off link for you guys, as well as a code in the description box below. Okay, so let's get into how to use it. It's extremely straightforward and very simple. You're gonna make sure that your face is clean and dry and it has nothing on it. So let's power it on. You're gonna long press the power on button and you're gonna notice it is turning on now. So now once it stops flashing, you're gonna press the power button onto the level that you want. So this is level 1. If you press it again, that makes it to level 2, and I'm on level 3. When you're first starting, you're going to want to start with level 1 and work your way up. I'm going to put it on the screen on the exact time frame that I used. And then you're going to press and hold the ready button. And now it's green, so perfect. So all you need to do is tap like this. And when you hear that sound stop, you're ready to move on to the next section. And you can work in sections of your face. It literally doesn't hurt or anything like that. You just want to be careful to not hold it in the same spot for a long time, or it's going to start to feel quite hot. So you want to just keep moving it as you go and go to a new section every time you tap. Another thing is you want to avoid your eye area. You do not go into your eye area here. Everywhere else it is safe to do, but just skip your sensitive eye area there. Now, when we get to certain spots on our forehead where it's a little bit bumpy and you're not gonna hear it go right away, just because all 4 points of the laser are not touching your skin, so it's not gonna go. What you're gonna do when you get into a situation like that, when you have like a bumpy forehead or maybe on your nose, you're gonna give it a roll like this. So all 4 points can touch your skin and activate. So I'm going to show you that on my nose as well. Like, it doesn't go right away. You're going to give it a roll. Roll, roll, roll. You can also do like little gliding circular motions like this. And just like that, you're done. It only takes a couple minutes out of your day. It's so simple and easy. You just shut it off by pressing the long button again. And I always try to make sure I clean it with rubbing alcohol at the end of each use, just to make sure I'm not spreading any bacteria. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments down below, and check out my description box for some discount information. I have $150 off if you use my link and my code down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.